friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making soft-boiled eggs in the air fryer. So all you need is eggs. You don't need water to cook them in the air fryer. It's actually very simple to cook eggs in the air fryer. And I'm also going to use this gadget just so the egg doesn't roll around the air fryer. So the way it works, it's like a rack that stabilizes the egg. So see, it's very nice. If you don't have it, you can just put the egg in the air fryer basket. This is totally optional, just to keep the egg from rolling in the basket. So now let's take out the air fryer basket, and I will put an egg in the air fryer basket. Now you can have as many eggs as you need. The cooking time is going to be the same. So I'm just going to make one, and let's put the basket in the air fryer. And I'm going to set the temperature to 275 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 10 minutes. This is for a soft-boiled egg. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take out the egg. So be careful, the egg is hot. And now I'm going to put it in ice water. So now let's peel the egg. And let's try the egg. So I'm just going to cut it. So see, this is a perfect soft-boiled egg. So now let's try it. I love soft-boiled eggs, and I'm so excited. Amazing. This is a perfect soft-boiled egg, and it's so easy to make in the air fryer. You'll love it. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!